Welcome back, everyone. I'm Mark, here with Tawny, and today we're diving into a super important topic, the 10 critical skills you absolutely need to learn to win in this AI era we're living in.
Hey folks, Tawny here. Yeah, the AI wave is crashing fast, and it's not just tech geeks who need to pay attention. If you want to keep your career solid and your brain sharp, these skills aren't optional anymore. They're essential.
Exactly. We hear a lot about AI replacing jobs, but the smarter angle is how humans can work alongside AI, augmenting what we do instead of getting replaced. So, Tawny, what's your take on why skill development is the key here?
I think it's all about staying relevant. AI takes over repetitive and data-heavy tasks, but it can't replicate creativity, empathy, or complex reasoning. Mastering skills that play to our uniquely human strengths while also understanding AI tools is how we keep control and leverage technology.
Well said. So let's jump into those skills. The first one that most sources highlight is data literacy. Being able to read, understand, and analyze data is huge. It's not just for data scientists anymore.
Absolutely. In any role now, knowing how to interpret data to make informed decisions is a game changer. And it doesn't mean you have to crunch numbers all day. But understanding trends, graphs, and basic stats empowers you to back up your ideas with evidence.
That makes sense. Next up, critical thinking and problem solving. AI can suggest options or spot patterns, but ultimately solving novel problems? That's still a human forte.
Definitely. AI can't think outside the box the way humans do. Plus, problem solving sometimes demands moral judgment or creativity, stuff beyond algorithms. So honing these skills means you're not just relying on AI blindly, you're making smart calls.
Right, and that ties into creativity itself. We often hear that AI can create art or music, but the original spark, the intuition behind ideas, that's human territory.
For sure, when you combine AI's speed with human imagination, you get exponential power. But if you let AI just spit out stuff without your creative input, you miss the magic. So learning how to innovate and think imaginatively remains vital.
Now here's an interesting one. Emotional intelligence, or EQ. In a world where machines handle data, people's skills climb in value. What are your thoughts?
I'm all in on emotional intelligence. Recognizing emotions in yourself and others, managing relationships, communicating effectively, these are things AI can't truly replicate. In leadership, collaboration, or customer service, EQ separates good from great.
Agreed. And diving deeper into communication, we can't ignore digital literacy as a separate skill. Knowing how to navigate digital tools, platforms, and AI interfaces smoothly is a real advantage.
Yeah, digital literacy is the baseline now. But it's not just about technical ability, it's also about understanding digital culture, privacy concerns, and how to use tech responsibly. Being savvy online protects your reputation and expands your reach.
Well put. Another critical skill gaining attention is adaptability and learning agility. AI tech evolves quickly. How you respond to change matters.
You hit the nail on the head. If you resist change, you get left behind. Being curious, willing to unlearn old habits, and experiment with new tools is what will keep you ahead. Embracing lifelong learning is non-negotiable.
Alongside adaptability, collaboration is a big one. AI might automate individual tasks, but teamwork, especially cross-disciplinary, is crucial for complex projects.
Collaboration takes many forms now. Virtual teams, AI-assisted brainstorming, shared platforms, people who can navigate diverse groups, bridge gaps, and build trust are irreplaceable. AI helps, but humans coordinate.
Speaking of bridging gaps, cultural intelligence or global awareness is becoming increasingly critical, especially with remote work and worldwide teams.
Yep, understanding different cultures, customs, work styles, it's not just a nicety, it's essential for smooth cooperation. AI tools translate languages, but they don't grasp nuances or build empathy across cultures like humans do.
Last on the list, but definitely not least, ethical judgment and decision-making. As AI raises new dilemmas, knowing how to assess ethical implications is vital.
This one resonates strongly with me. AI can be biased, make decisions that impact people's lives, but humans have to oversee and intervene ethically. Developing a strong moral compass and understanding AI's limits protect society and builds trust.
So true. When you look at these skills collectively, data literacy, critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, digital literacy, adaptability, collaboration, cultural intelligence, and ethics, they cover a broad spectrum from technical know-how to soft skills.
And that blend is what's exciting. It's not about competing with AI, but working smartly alongside it. Learning these skills helps you be an amplifier, not a competitor.
I'm curious, Tani, have you personally focused on any of these lately? What's been most impactful?
Lately, I've really leaned into improving my adaptability and digital literacy. New AI tools pop up weekly, so I've started experimenting openly rather than avoiding them. It's changed how I approach problems and collaborate with others.
That's great insight. For me, emotional intelligence and ethical judgment have become front and center. The more AI pervades, the more we need human perspective and accountability.
Yeah, it's a balancing act. Speaking of which, how do you think individuals should prioritize learning all these skills? It can feel overwhelming.
Good question. I'd say start by assessing your current role and future goals. Which skills will make the biggest difference tomorrow? And build incrementally. Focus on one or two at a time, practical and ongoing.
I agree. Also, integrate learning into everyday life, like being curious when using AI tools, seeking feedback to grow emotionally, or engaging in diverse cultural experiences. Skills become habits then, not chores.
Before we wrap up, let's highlight something fun. What's a surprising or lesser-known skill from the list that you think deserves more spotlight?
I'd pick cultural intelligence. It's often overlooked, but super powerful. Understanding different perspectives creates opportunities you might otherwise miss.
Interesting. For me, adaptability stands out as the silent game changer. Without it, even the best skills can become obsolete fast.
Totally. So there it is, the 10 critical skills to master if you want to win in the AI era. Not just about tech, but a toolkit for the future.
To recap quickly, we talked data literacy, critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, digital literacy, adaptability, collaboration, cultural intelligence, and ethical judgment, all essential to thrive alongside AI.
The takeaway? AI isn't here to replace us, but to augment what we do. Developing these skills means you steer the ship, not just ride the wave.
So listeners, what skill on this list resonates most with you? Or which one are you planning to focus on next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear your game plan for winning in the AI era.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Let's keep this conversation going, support each other, and grow together. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.
Couldn't have said it better. See you all soon.